Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a birthday holiday gift box with hinged lid for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with an 8x16 plate. I want to flip this over. Along the sides, I want to place a set of 2x14 plates where they're hanging over by a stud. Place those right in there. And then a set of 2x6 plates. We're going to place these in the opposing corners. It's not really that critical. We just need to make sure that these are hanging over by a stud. And we're going to fill in the remaining areas with a pair of 2x4 plates. I'm going to flip this back over right in the center in these two areas. A set of 1x6 plates. Just place those down right there. Now I'm going to slide this off to the side. We're going to take another 8x16 plate. Let's flip this over. In the top, a 2x6 plate where it's hanging over by a stud, as well as 3 2x6 plates along the side. And then we're going to place one more here at the bottom. And then I'm going to flip this back over. Along this side, a pair of 1x8 plates and a set of 1x6 plates. Then right in these two areas, a couple of 1x4 plates. Now I want to make two of these, and I'm going to place these right here. We're going to have to lock these joints together because this is going to be the base of the gift box. Place this one right here. Make sure that's firmly secured. Now I want to skip two sets of studs along the sides, and I want to fill in this area with several 2x2 flat tiles for the bottom of our gift box. Now if you want, you don't have to put tiles on the bottom, but for this application it looks really good. Now let's turn our attention to the sides of the gift box, starting with a pair of 2x4 bricks. Place these right here. Then a 2x3 brick followed by a 2x2 brick. Now I want to add a ribbon to my box, so I'm going to take a 1x4 brick, place that right there, and a 1x4 modified brick with 4 studs. We'll set that right there. Then we're going to continue on with a 2x2 brick, 2x3 brick, and a set of 2x4 bricks right here. And along these two sides, a set of 2x3 bricks. I'm going to put some ribbons along the front and back. So I'll take a set of 1x4 bricks, set those there, and a pair of modified 1x4 bricks with 4 studs. And in these areas, a set of 2x3 and 2x4 bricks. Place these right here and right here. A pair of 2x3 bricks, 2x2 bricks, a 1x4 brick, and a 1x4 modified brick with 4 studs. Place that right there. And right in this corner, 2x4 bricks. So I want to make sure I'm covering over my previous joints. Strengthen up the sides of the gift box. I'm going to place a few of these right here. Right in this area, a 2x2 brick, followed by several more 2x4 bricks. And yes, you're going to need a lot for this project. Place these right here, followed by 4 2x3 bricks. This is going to lock in these bricks. And several more 2x4 bricks. We're going to place these right here, as shown. Make sure everything is locked and secure. We want this to be very durable. Place a 2x2 brick right there. And right back in this corner, a set of 2x4 bricks. And we're just going to build this up another 4 levels. Now I want to take a set of 1x4 plates. We're going to place these on top of one another. I want to place these right in the center. I want to make 4 of these. I'm going to do this along the sides too. Just make sure you have 7 studs here. And we'll place this last one right here. And behind that, 4 1x4 bricks. And right next to the assemblies on the sides, a set of 2x2 bricks. Then we're going to place some 2x3 bricks here. This is going to correct our offsets that we have when we were putting these in here. Now the reason why I'm putting plates in here is because we got to correct an offset for a ribbon that we're going to be attaching to the box in a moment or two. And then we're going to fill in the remaining areas with several 2x4 bricks. Place these last two right here. Now we're going to take a 1x4 brick with 4 studs. We're going to place a 1x4 plate on top. We're going to make 4 of these. Place these right inside these 1x4 openings. And that will be used to correct our offset for our ribbon. And right behind those, a set of 1x4 bricks. Place these right here. Yes, there's a lot of crunchy in this mock. On both left and right hand sides, a set of 2x3 bricks. And in the front and back, 4 2x2 bricks. And right next to our 2x2 bricks, a set of 2x3 bricks. And we're going to fill in the remaining areas with several 2x4 bricks to finish up this layer. Place these right here as well. And we're not done yet. Right in the back center, a 2x2 brick followed by a set of 2x4 bricks. For some lower hinges, we're going to take a 1x4 Technic brick, place a friction pin right in the center, and one of these modified 1x2 Technic bricks with the 2 half beams sticking out of the side. Place it on there as shown. I want to make 2 of these. I'm going to place these right next to our 2x4 bricks. And in these 4 little areas, a set of 1x1 bricks. This is going to fill in these portions right behind the hinge to finish it off. Makes it look really nice in the back. Now we're going to place several 2x4 bricks. Place 2 in the back and 2 right here along the sides. Followed by 4 2x3 bricks. This is going to lock in these joints firmly. And right here, a set of 2x4 bricks along the front. 3 2x4 bricks. Followed by a 2x2 brick and 3 2x4 bricks right here. Now I want to smooth tile the top of our bottom container, so I'm going to take several 2x4 flat tiles. We're going to place these and we're going to overlap our joints. Right here, a 1x2 flat tile and a 2x4 flat tile. That's going to be our ribbon. We're just going to wrap it around inside the box. Then I want to continue on with a 1x2 flat tile and several more 2x4 flat tiles. Now it's very critical that these overlap because we don't want the hinges to detach from the top. And right in these 2 areas, a set of 2x3 flat tiles and a pair of 2x4 green flat tiles. Now you know what color the ribbon's going to be. Then a set of 2x3 flat tiles and several more 2x4 flat tiles for the front portion of the box. And right here, a pair of 1x2 flat tiles and a 2x4 flat tile right in the center. Now for ribbons, I'm just going to take some simple 4x12 plates, place them right on the bricks with studs. That's why we had to correct an offset issue, so we can make these fit. And in addition, it keeps the sides secure. lock those right in place, right there. Makes a nice ribbon. And this completes the lower portion of our gift box. Let's begin the top with a 4x8 plate. Along the edges, I'm going to place several 6x8 plates. Make sure there's a 2-stud opening right in the middle. Then I'm going to place a 4x8 plate right here. I want to make sure that this is flush on the side, and a 1x4 plate right here. Now I want to make 2 of these, and I want to lock these together with a 4x8 plate. Now I want to flip this over. Let's lock this in with a 4x8 plate and some 4x6 plates right in these areas. We're going to use these for ribbons, but I need to use these underneath to strengthen up the bottom. I'm going to flip this back over right here. A set of 1x4 plates, and you guessed it, some 4x6 plates right here. This is going to make the top nice and rigid. I'm going to flip this upside down. Now we're going to be building upside down. Let's take a set of 1x4 plates. We're going to stack these on top of one another. Now I want to make 4 of these in total. We'll place these right on the edge of our plates. Place these right here. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 modified brick with 2 studs right on top. I want to make 4 of these. I'm going to place these in these 1x2 openings. These are going to be used to attach our smaller portions of our ribbon. Place this one right here. Now take several 1x2x2 corner bricks. We're going to wrap these around our ribbon assemblies right here. This is going to fill in these areas. Place these right here. And right here, a set of 2x2 bricks. You may want to hold underneath the bottom. We can pinch those together. Now I want to take several 2x4 bricks. I'm going to place 4 on the top. I'm going to leave this opening here available for our upper hinges. So I'm just going to place these right here. And we're going to place 6 on the bottom. So you're going to have 3 on the left and 3 on the right hand side. And this is really going to start strengthening up this lid. I wasn't kidding. You're going to be building upside down for a while. These parts are just wanting to get away from me. Place this right here. Now for upper hinges, we're going to take a 1x2 Technic brick with cross hole. I'm going to take a 4-stud long cross axle, place that right inside. I want to make 2 of these. Then I'm going to take a 1x3 Technic half beam. We're going to place it right on top here. Place this right inside. And one of these 3x5 Technic lift arms. Place this right here. Then I'm going to take another 1x3 Technic half lift arm. Place that right there. And 2 more 1x2 Technic bricks with cross holes. You should have an assembly like this. Now I want to make 2 of these. I'm going to place these right here. Just be sure to hold on the bottom. Pinch that together. Place this one right here. We're almost done with the lid. Let's take a pair of 2x10 plates. I'm going to start locking in my joints. So we're going to start wiggling these in. And yes, you're going to have to wiggle those in to lock in all these joints here. Just make sure about 4 studs from the top and bottom here, so we can overlap everything. Then we're going to place several 1x8 plates. We're going to place 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Now the reason why I'm staggering these like this, so I don't have any joints on top of one another because I really want to secure the area where the hinges are attached. So we're going to place these right here, and we're going to place 3 more here on the bottom. Place these right here to secure everything. No, we're not done yet. And in these areas, a set of 1x2 plates. And I'm just using these as fillers. You really don't have to put them in there, but it just makes it look nicer. But the 1x4 plates you do have to put in the corners to secure these up. Place these 2 right here. And now we're ready to attach our ribbons on the front. So I'm just going to take some 2x4 plates, place these right on the 1x2 modified bricks with 2 studs. See, there's the back with the hinges. Place this one right here. And before I forget, I'm just going to cover these up with a set of 2x4 plates right there. For a bow, start with a 2x4 plate. I'm going to take 2 2x3 inverted slopes, place these right here, followed by a set of 2x2 inverted 45-degree slopes in this area. Now I want to lock these joints with a 2x4 plate, and for the top of the ribbon I'm going to take a set of 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow, place these right here, and several 1x3 bricks with bow. Makes the top of the bow look nice and round and soft. Now let's set our bow right in the middle. Now I'm just going to hold underneath here for added stability. Place that right there in the center. Makes a nice bow to attach to our ribbon. Now we're going to attach our lid to our bottom portion of our gift box. I'm just going to rotate this around, set this right here, and take some 2 stud long cross axles. I'm just going to put these right inside here as little hinge pins. And if everything goes well, we should be able to have a functioning gift box with hinge lid.